I'm a big fan of high quality air, and this little meter is portable. You can get them a couple different colors. Of course, I got it in orange. Recharges with USB-C. Starting at the top there, we've got the battery indicator and the time. There's an alarm, of course. The PM is particles that are smaller than 2.5 micrometers. The 1 would be 1 micrometer. The particles that are 10. These are basically different size particles in the air, and the percentage of them there, these sensors are determining the size of the particles and how many particles are out there. Then they get into things like carbon dioxide. That's pretty easy. The TVOC is the total volatile organic compound. So that's things like paints and organic solvents in the air. And then the HCHO, that's like your formaldehyde. So gases from furniture and new appliances and things like that. Then you got your temperature and your humidity. And then down at the bottom here, you have a kind of a general idea of what all this is. And you got a little guy here that's going to either be a smiley face in green or go down to a sad face in purple to give you a quick idea of what the air quality is like. This thing's great. It recharges, has a little kickstand on the back. You could hang it on the wall. There are some buttons on the top here to adjust like the brightness and stuff, and the time and the alarm. Hope this helps.